Hello student, today we are going to continue our second chapter, Nutrition in Animal. I hope all the students learn the pathway of digestion in alimentary canal. To start it from mouth, then esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. And the three glands who secrete the digestive juice are salivary gland, liver and pancreas. And the biggest gland of human body is liver. Then we read type of teeth. There is 4 type of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Then in our buccal cavity, salivary glands is present who secreted saliva. Okay, and the saliva break down the starch into sugar. What is the function of saliva? Saliva break down the starch into sugar. And the next is tongue. Student, do you know the function of tongue? And what is tongue? You all know that tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back of the floor of buccal cavity. Okay. Actually, the function of tongue is it mix saliva with the food during chewing and help in swallowing food. We also taste food with our tongue because in our tongue taste buds are present. It have taste buds that detect different taste of food. Here you see this is a picture of tongue, and this tongue is attached from the floor of a buccal cavity from this side, and different taste buds are present in tongue. Here the taste bud which are present in this part is responsible for sweet. This part, the taste buds are present responsible for salt taste. Here the taste buds are present who are responsible for sour, and the taste bud which is present here are responsible for bitter. Okay, so in our tongue taste buds are present who are responsible for different taste. I hope you understand and learn this, that this portion of tongue is responsible for sweet taste. This portion is responsible for the taste buds which are present here responsible for salty taste. Here the taste bud is present responsible for sour taste, and here bitter taste. Okay, the taste bud which is present in that side. Now the next one is food pipe or esophagus. See here student, we learn firstly the buccal cavity. In our buccal cavity we learn about teeth, salivary glands and tongue. Okay, then the food pass into the food pipe which we also called esophagus, and this food pipe open into stomach. So now we read about food pipe which we also called esophagus. The solid food pass into the food pipe or esophagus. The food pipe run along the neck and the chest. Food is pushed down by the movement of the wall of the food pipe. This movement takes place throughout the alimentary canal and push the food downwards. Okay, this is food pipe. The next one is, here you see the food pipe. Food is moved from buccal cavity, and with the help of these food pipe it moves downwards towards the stomach. Now the stomach. You know, the stomach is a thick walled bag. Its shape is like a flatted J, and it is the widest part of alimentary canal. Here you see the stomach is the widest part of alimentary canal. This one is buccal cavity, then esophagus, then we read about stomach, and it is the widest part of alimentary canal. After that the food move towards the small intestine, and it is like the stomach is slightly J-shaped. Okay. So stomach receive food from the food pipe at one end and open into the small intestine at the other end. And it is very, very important, student, that the inner lining of the stomach secreted mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juice. The mucus protect the lining of the stomach. The acid kill many bacteria that enter along with the food and make the medium in the stomach acidic and help in a digestive juice to act. And the digestive juice break down the protein into simpler substance. Now listen carefully. Actually, our stomach secreted 3 secretion. The first one is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, because the name is clear that acid. So hydrochloric acid kill many bacteria that enter along with the food. हमारे फूड के साथ इफ अगर कोई बैक्टीरिया हमारे स्टमक तक आ जाता है तो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड उसे किल करता है. सो व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड? फर्स्ट, इट किल बैक्टीरिया दैट एंटर along with the food. ओके. सेकेंड फंक्शन, ये हमारे स्टमक में जो फूड है उसके मीडियम को एसिडिक बनाता है, जो हेल्प करता है डाइजेस्टिव जूस को एक्ट करने में. ओके. फर्स्ट फंक्शन हो गया हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड का, दैट इट किल मैनी बैक्टीरिया दैट एंटर अलोंग विद द फूड. सेकेंड फंक्शन, इट मेक मीडियम इन द स्टमक एसिडिक. ये स्टमक में जो फूड का मीडियम है उसे एसिडिक कर देता है. नाउ यू नो दैट एसिड इज वेरी हार्मफुल. आप सबको पता है कि एसिड क्या होता है? हार्मफुल होता है. तो सेकेंड सेक्रेशन जो म्यूकस का होता है वो हमारी इनर लाइनिंग, हमारे स्टमक की इनर लाइनिंग को प्रोटेक्ट करता है एसिड से. हियर यू सी द म्यूकस प्रोटेक्ट द लाइनिंग ऑफ द स्टमक. ओके. सो एसिड सेक्रेट हो रहा है, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड जो फूड स्टमक के फूड के मीडियम को कैसा बना दे रहा है? एसिडिक बना दे रहा है. उस एसिडिक मीडियम को से वॉल को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए म्यूकस सेक्रेट होता है. म्यूकस क्या करता है? प्रोटेक्शन करता है इस एसिड से हमारे स्टमक की वॉल को. ओके. एंड थर्ड क्या है? डाइजेस्टिव जूस. द डाइजेस्टिव जूस ब्रेक डाउन द प्रोटीन इनटू सिंपलर सब्सटेंस. डाइजेस्टिव जूस क्या करता है? ये प्रोटीन जो होता है उसे सिंपलर सब्सटेंस में ब्रेक डाउन कर देता है, क्योंकि कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंस को हमारी बॉडी डायरेक्टली यूज नहीं कर सकती. सो stomach secreted 3 secretion: mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juice. Digestive juice break down the protein into simpler substance. Hydrochloric acid kill the bacteria and make the medium acidic, and mucus protect the inner lining of stomach. I hope you understand. This is all for today. Thank you.